Hello guys, welcome to another vMix tutorial. My name is Victor and this is Sorted Time Media Solutions. So today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your EasyWorship software to your vMix so that your songs, your presentation, your hymns, your Bible verses can be brought into your live stream. Without any further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So before we start the tutorial, I already opened my EasyWorship and I already opened my vMix so that this is not going to waste your time at all. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open your EasyWorship, right? And then you want to, let's say for example, you want to display this Bible verse. I love this Bible verse so much. Romans 12:2, right? Rejoice in hope, be patient in affliction, be persistent. So now let's say I want to project this Bible verse in my vMix software. What do I do? Right now I'm not connected to a secondary screen, so whatever I show here actually will be shown on my screen, right? Because this screen is acting as the primary screen and also the secondary screen. So what you really want to do is you want to go to this edit tab in your EasyWorship, and then you want to select options. And then after this dialog box opens up, you want to select where you have custom position, and you really want to put it in NDI stream, right? Because you want to bring it in as an NDI source in your vMix. So you press OK. Now let's go to vMix for the next part of this tutorial. You're going to bring in an input. So you click on add inputs, and then you go to the place where you have NDI or desktop capture. When you click on it, then you give it a little bit of time to load. You're going to see the EasyWorship loading, right? So click on the EasyWorship and then click on the low bandwidth mode, right? And then press OK. So now your EasyWorship has been connected with your vMix. Let me minimize this right here so that I can show you guys that this is real time. Okay, so I have my EasyWorship on the left and then I have the vMix in the background. So say Psalm 23 was called Psalm 23 verse 1 to 6. You press enter, you can see that immediately it starts changing. And then when you press the next verse, it goes on to the next one, and then it goes on to the next one. And that is how you connect your EasyWorship with your vMix, guys. So that is it, guys. If you want to watch other vMix tutorials for your church, this is the place to go. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.